Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. So today we will be learning many of the things related to HTML and CSS, and I hope you will be enjoying this video also. Like previously we have done many of the things related to HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy that. So today we will be just building an interactive restaurant website in HTML and CSS, and I hope you will be enjoying this video also, and this video will be really helpful for you. So please see this video till end and see this video from start to end, because if you see from start to end, then you will be learning things of HTML and CSS, and you can also just remember the, or you can also just learn the things of CSS, HTML which you want to learn and want to become a coding developer. You can also do that if you learn these HTML and CSS languages. So these both languages are really important to learn, because when we moved into programming field, first of all we have to learn coding languages like HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. So we have to start from these languages, then we can move to other languages like JavaScript, React, then these languages come, and then we can build things with that languages like Python. You can build many of the APIs with Python or things which you want to build, and you can also add your own unique things which I am making things. And if you want to learn HTML and CSS, you can check my previous videos that are small videos, but I've also made beautiful projects in that which are totally for beginners, and I will be also coming up with the tutorial of HTML and CSS in future, and I hope you'll be enjoying, because I'll be telling every single thing in that tutorial about HTML and CSS which every beginner wants to know and wants to learn. So just now we will be starting with our video. So like I've telling you, we will be just building our restaurant website with HTML and CSS. So just now we have to start. So first of all, I will be opening my Sublime Text Editor here on my window. Then when you have opened your Sublime Text, just close previous windows which you have opened, and I will be using my two files which is called index.html and index.css. So I've already made these files. I just have to drag and drop this, but some of the things are written in that. I'll be erasing that all things, because previously I've worked with these. Now I'll be erasing this, save that, save this file also, so you don't have to make again. But if you don't have this index.html or style.css file, you can make that by going to file, press new file. Its shortcut key is Ctrl N, and then by pressing Ctrl S you can save that on your desktop or any other location where you want to save. Now my default browser is Opera browser, so I'll be opening that here. You can see this is the Opera browser of index.html file which I will be working with. Now this is my file. Here I will be doing it side by side, because I want my work should be do at the side by side. And now you can see index.html has been just here, and index.html browser is here at the right side. Now we will be start to code here. Now we have to just write some of the HTML starting codes here. I'll be writing HTML, press enter, all the starting code has been appeared, you can see. Now here we have to give the title. So title I will be given interactive. Now when you've given this title, just you have to save this file, then reload that. You can see interactive written here, or you can write interactive website, save here and reload again. Then you will be getting again this. You can see again we are getting. Now we have to start to code here. First of all, we will be just moving on our body tag and making a h1 tag here. And in h1 tag I will be writing restaurant website. And when you've written that, just you have to move down here, write t tag, and in t tag we will be writing some of the paragraph, like one line of our restaurant website what it should be. So you can write best food and healthy food. You can write this, or you can write in small letters also, best food and healthy food like home. Save here and reload. Now when you have just done that, you can see we are getting the things like we want. Here I will taking that down, and for taking it down you have to just first of all move here, write h2 tag. Here you have to write restaurant, which should be our logo at the top of the left side. You can see we are getting that. Now here I will be doing one thing. I will be moving here, and then I will be writing br tag underneath this h2 tag which we have made. So right here br tag. Then you have to just erase this h2, because now we don't want that. Here I will be copy pasting this br tag, and now press Ctrl Z and paste that. And now we want to check how many time we have pasted. So it is going down. You can see it is going down. And if I paste it again, save, reload, you can see now it is perfect. Now I want it should be going big, means it is too much small, but I want it should be big. So for doing that, you can go to style.css to design, but before that you have to link your CSS file. So for linking that, you can write link Real style sheet, red style.css, save and reload. When we have done, so you can see nothing happens because only we have linked our file. Go to style.css, then we have to first of all define h2 tag, and here I will be given its font size to like 25 pixels, save and reload. You can see it is going bigger. If I do 25 pixel here and then make this tag, which means you are defining all the things in HTML. Here I will be given font family to all of my tags, Montserrat. No Montserrat, I will be given it to Poppins because many times I have given Montserrat. So now this time we will be given Poppins. Save and reload. Now it is done, so I will be changing it to 30 because I think it is too much small coming. No, 25 was perfect, I think. Yes, it is perfect. Now I will be given it padding, so it should be having space from the top and from the left side. Save and reload. Now you can see it is having space. Now here I will be moving down, defining my h1 tag, means this restaurant website which is written here, not this one at the top, because we have set this with the padding and font size. Now here I will be given it, so first of all padding 20 pixel, because now it should be perfectly underneath this restaurant at the top. You can see it is perfectly underneath. Then I will be making key tag, and here also same padding I will be giving of 20 pixel. Save and reload. You can see same things we are getting, but I want this restaurant website should be bigger. So for taking it big, you can write font size 18 pixel, save and reload. Okay, 18 pixel is too much small, we don't want like that. 50 pixel, save and reload. Now you can see it is looking good, and it is just having some of the space here. So you can see now it is looking good. Our restaurant is coming. Now here you can put image at the background, or you can give color to it. So if I put image, you can go to pixels.com to take image. Go to this website. Okay, not this one. Go to this Pixabay, sorry, not Pixels. So you can go to Pixabay website and you can write here restaurant images, or you can write restaurant here. Then you will be getting some of the images you can put here, like this one I will be taking. So you can save this image here, and okay, so just you have to move here, and when you just press this, just you have to go back and then press free download, and here I want it in this. So now it will be downloading our file. Now it is downloaded. Now I will be giving it the name of background 2, and I'll be saving it on desktop. Just save that, and when you've saved that, refresh and just move to your Sublime Text Editor and open Opera browser at the right side. Then you have to do one thing here, like come over here and then write here first of all your image name, means link that. So for linking that you have to move down, and for moving down you go to forward here, move down, then give background, and here I'll be writing background image, which should be having URL, and URL I want of background2.jpg. Save here, move down, then write here background attachment, which should be fixed, and when you've done with that, here I will be writing that. Now here I'll be moving again, right here background size, which should be cover. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've done with that, here I will be writing background, and here I'll be writing repeat, which should be no repeat, because I want my background should be no repeat. Save and reload. Here you can see we are getting our image, but I want this should be in white color, means my text. So you can write here white like this. Save and reload. You can see we are getting our text white, and I want this restaurant should be down because it is on the light and it is not showing us the effect like we want. So here I will be taking this padding to like 25 pixels, save and reload, and if I do that to 29, save and reload. So I think now it is perfect. 31, save and reload. Now you can see it is perfect looking, and we are just getting it. And here I will be doing this padding to 31, save, reload, and this one to 31, save and reload. Now we are getting the things like we want. Here I will be moving. Then when you are just getting this, here you have to do one thing. Just we have done with that like we want. Now I want this is small, and we are getting it in one line like we want. So you can see this is the simple restaurant website which we have just made here. You can also erase that if you want to erase from here, it's your choice, or you can take it to top and then right at the top save and reload. You can see now it is erased, and this is the restaurant website which we have made. We are getting our restaurant at the right side, or you can take this to black, I think. So here I will be raising this, and then I will be moving here down, then I'll be giving this padding to white and this one to color black. Save and reload. Now it is perfect. So like that you can build your own restaurant website in HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy how we are just making this. We are getting our restaurant website written here. You can also add buttons underneath, but I am not adding because it is at the intermediate and advanced level. And this is the restaurant logo which we are getting at the top left side, and like that you can make your own restaurant website in HTML CSS. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, so hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn. So I will be with you next project or next video. So for today, goodbye.